Hello, what is your name?
I'm Dali Amanshu.
How old are you?
I'm 43 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm married.
Okay, do you have kids?
No.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years and 6 months.
Okay, so do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes.
Where?
Um, in Singapore for 6 years in one employer. And Bahrain 6 years is also one employer. And Taiwan for 2 years and IHAP.
Okay.
We're also one employer.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years. Yes, 2
Okay,
years.
so where's your employer living in?
And Apli Chow.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
1,500.
How many family members there?
There are 4.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
10 and 13 years old.
Okay, so how long, would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the
I
morning?
wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. I prepare their breakfast for the kids. And then when they go school, I start my work for cleaning the house, washing clothes. After that, I go market. And in the afternoon, I pick the kids downstairs. And then about 4 o'clock, I prepare the dinner. And then I will cook about 7 something. And then they will eat about 7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed about 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.